This is Jake Pazicki with an ACT Science conflicting viewpoints question. Now this is sort of a tricky question. It's asking us to look at the viewpoint of scientist 2 and identify the underlying cause for all the problems that plague afforested areas. So if you, as you should have, if you've read scientist 2's perspective, you hear a bunch of reasons why afforestation is bad or has negative impacts on the environment rather. And this question is asking us for the what is the underlying cause that scientist 2 believes is causing all these different things. So let's go look at the answer choices and see what they say. The acidic effect of pine needles on local soil and rivers. We do see the acidic qualities that lead to the pollution of local rivers. That is something that is cited here as an answer choice. Not sure if it's the underlying cause of all of the issues that are cited. It isn't. It says that it isn't, but it is something that they cite. So we'll leave it up there for now because we don't have a reason to necessarily get rid of it. Answer choice B, though, the unnatural influence of private corporations. So that is an underlying cause, right? There wouldn't be all these pine needles polluting the rivers if the private corporations hadn't had an unnatural influence on the environment. So that is this one. This answer choice actually is the underlying cause of this answer choice, which means that this answer choice is the best one we have so far. Damaged food chains due to pesticide use. So it does talk about pesticides here in the third paragraph, but once again, this is an effect. This is a problem that is caused by the unnatural influence of private corporations, which is answer choice B, and the introduction of non-native trees. And so once again, this is interesting because the introduction of non-native trees actually causes this problem and this problem. So you might say that this is the underlying cause of all the issues that are going on here. But what we have to remember is that it is the influence of private corporations that causes the introduction of non-native trees. So this answer choice B, is still our best answer. It's not that these other answers are wrong, but this is by far our best answer, answer choice B. And you have to read you have to read and really understand the reason the scientist 2 is arguing this and what scientist 2 is arguing to understand this. And you have to really think carefully about what is causing what. But if you do, you get the right answer. The choice is B.